Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today I will show you how to make delicious chicken doner kebab in the oven. For this recipe we need chicken breast. First trim off any excess fat, separate each fillet and butterfly chicken by slicing it evenly like this. Place the chicken in strainer and let all the excess water drain. Now let's prepare the marinade. In a large mixing bowl, add full-fat yogurt, 4 packs, 1520 grams. Then add 50 gram nutmeg powder, 120 gram coriander powder, 80 gram cumin powder, 120 grams paprika powder, 50 gram black pepper powder, 60 gram onion powder, 250 gram salt, tomato paste 300 grams, fresh lemon juice 250 ml, garlic paste 200 grams. Mix everything gently until the yogurt and spice are well combined. Next add Arabic chili pepper paste 200 grams. Mix again until fully incorporated. Finally add 500 ml oil. Mix gently until you have smooth, even marinade. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. Separate a little marinade. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. Separate a little marinade on the bottom of a dish. Arrange the first layer of butterfly chicken breast. Then separate more marinade over the top. Continue layering the chicken and marinade until all chicken is coated. This helps the staking the chicken onto the large doner skewer. To cook the doner in the oven, you will need 2 stainless steel vertical skewers. For the base, place sliced potato, season with salt and pepper and oil. This prevents the chicken from sticking or burning at the bottom of the tray. Carefully stake the marinade chicken onto the skewer, pressing each piece gently until the skewer is full. Repeat the same process with the second skewer. As you can see, the chicken is stacked beautifully and has nice shape. Wrap the skewer with cling film and refrigerate for overnight. The next day, Remove them from the refrigerator and carefully place them in the oven. Cook at 120 degrees Celsius for 4 hours. This slow method keeps the chicken juicy and tender. After 1 hour 54 minutes, you can see chicken is halfway cooked. After 4 hours, chicken doner is beautifully cooked and golden brown external while remaining juicy inside. Let's check the internal temperature is exactly 75 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, let's prepare the tzatziki sauce. In the mixing bowl, labneh 700 gram, 1 packet, full fat yogurt 1520 grams, fresh lemon juice 60 ml, olive oil 100 ml, fresh chopped dill leaf 4 tablespoons, salt 1½ spoon. Mix well until fully combined. Then transfer to serving bowl and garnish with chopped dill and a drizzle of olive oil. For doner salad, you will need julienne white onion, seeded and sliced tomato, freshly chopped parsley, two and a half spoon sumac powder, then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix everything gently by hand until well combined. Then transfer to a serving bowl. At the live carving station, display chicken doner, tzatziki sauce, and fresh sumac salad. Using a sharp knife, slice the chicken very thinly. Look at those beautiful tender slices. To assemble, put some tzatziki sauce on the pita bread first. Add the freshly sliced chicken, top with fresh sumac salad. Add roasted potato or French fries. Finish with a little Arabic red chili pepper sauce. Our delicious homemade chicken doner kebab is ready. Enjoy. If you enjoy this recipe, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in next video.